Hello, hi everyone. Good afternoon, my dear students. So in the last video, we completed theory part of a complex numbers. Now today we are going to solve the problems, exercise problems. So very simple questions using multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. The first model from the textbook questions, textbook problems are there. Express the following in the form of a plus b iota. So we have to express in the form of a plus b iota. So I have given 10 questions in the problems. So 10 questions are there. How to solve one by one. So some of the questions we have to do like this. So for example, question number 1. Solution of the first problem. Let us take z is equal to I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. So this model concepts I revised it here already. So this is given in the first video, how to find the I raised to 9, I raised to 19. If you are not understanding, once again you have to revise the first video. I raised to 9. So this can be written as I raised to 4 whole square into iota plus I raised to 19. We should write I raised to 4 whole raised to 4 into I raised to 3. So using fourth table, we can write like this. We know that I raised to 4 is equal to 1. So 1 into iota, it becomes iota. Here also plus 1 into I raised to 3 is equal to I raised to 3. We know the value of I raised to 3. That is given in the first video. Remember all of you, that is minus iota. It will be 0. 0 can be written as 0 plus iota into 0. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. So this is the first one. Similarly, we have to find out second problem. I will give the first bit. That is I raised to minus 39. So how to find out, how to convert in the form of a plus b iota. To convert in the form of a plus iota b, firstly I would have write 1 upon I raised to 39. Then we should write in the form of multiple of 4. 1 upon I raised to 4. Here 9 4s are 36. I raised to 4 whole raised to 9 into I raised to 3. This is equal to 1 upon I raised to 3. We know that I raised to 3 value 1 upon minus iota. I have given is in the a plus iota b. No, we know the value in first video given 1 upon iota is equal to minus iota. So this is equal to iota. This can be written as 0 plus iota into 1. Now we observe what is in the form of a plus iota b. Yes, 0 is the real part, 1 is the imaginary part of a number z. So this is the procedure. Similarly, you find out second bit. So do yourself. This is the homework problem, same model problem. Now third bit. So 3 times of. So third bit I am taking z is equal to 3 times of 7 plus 7 iota plus iota into 7 plus 7 iota. So how to convert in the form of a plus iota b? So plus meaning what? Addition. So simply first multiplying, this is equal to, open the bracket, 3 into 7, 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota plus 7 iota square. Open the brackets simply. Are you okay now? So multiplying by 3, here multiplying by iota, multiplying with 3, 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota plus 7 iota square is equal to 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota, imaginary part adding 28 iota square. Do you know this value? Yes. What is the value of I square? Minus 1. So minus 7. So this is equal to 21 minus 7, 14 plus 28 iota. Hence it is in the form of a plus iota b. So this is the third question. And fourth question, do it same model. So already we know that. Do yourself. So 1 minus iota minus of minus 1 plus 6 iota. Very simple. Consider z. So here open the brackets. Open the bracket meaning what? Multiplying with minus. Plus 1 minus 6 iota adding, we get the answer. Now I am going to problem number 5. What is the problem number 5? 1 minus iota whole raised to 4. 1 minus iota whole raised to 4. So do you have any formula? Yes. But how to write this one? This firstly, to make it formula form, I write 1 minus iota whole square. Shall I write like this? 2 to the 4. We observe what? It is in the form of a minus b whole square. We know that all of you, a minus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Using this formula, I write a square, that is 1 square is 1 minus 2ab, 2 times of 1 into iota plus iota square whole square. Using a minus b whole square. So we studied this formula. Everywhere it is applicable. A minus b for whole square formula. Now simplify. Is equal to 1 minus 2 iota. This is minus 1 whole square. Now we should cancel plus 1 minus 1. Is equal to minus 2i whole square value 4i square. Is equal to minus 4. This is also written as minus 4 plus missing term 0. So iota into 0. Hence it is in the form of a plus iota b. Similarly, we calculate sixth problem. Sixth problem model, we know all of you, a minus b whole cube formula. So I will give a plus b whole cube formula, a minus b whole cube formula. One question I will give that. I will give the sixth problem. You do it here. You do it here. Seventh problem, do yourself. Homework this is. So I take the sixth question. Sixth problem is, let z is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus 3 iota whole raised to 3. So you remember formula. What is the formula? We know that all of you remember a plus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab of a plus b. A raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab of a plus. Stop now. A plus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab of a plus b. So remember everyone this formula. According to this is equal to, z is equal to a value 1 upon 3 whole cube plus 3 iota whole cube plus 3ab. So what is the 3ab here? Three into a value 1 by 3, b value 3 iota, bracket of 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. Now simplify this value. This will be 1 upon 27 plus 27 iota raised to 3. Here 3 get cancelled, plus multiplying 3 get cancelled means here 3 iota plus 9 iota square. Now simplify. This is equal to 1 by 27 I raised to 3 minus iota. So remember always these values, plus 3 iota minus 9. This is equal to taking together. Samyukta here 1 by 27 minus 9. So LCM will be 27. So 27 into 9. 9 7 is 63. 6 carry. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 6. 24. So 1 minus 243. Minus 27 iota plus 3 iota minus 24 iota. This is equal to minus. So this value 242 divided by 27 minus 24 iota. So hence it is in the form of a plus iota b. So like we have to solve the problems always. So see the question number 7. Question number 7 also we have to use a minus b whole cube formula. So remember a minus b whole cube is equal to formula a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 minus 3ab of a minus b. So use that formula, we can get 5 minus 3 iota whole cube. Now I am going to problem number 8. So what is the problem number 8? So this is very important question for one more question. Z is equal to minus square root of 3 plus square root of minus 2 bracket 2 root 3 minus iota. Now we are observing, is in a plus iota b form? Yes. Why? Because I have given in property square root of minus a. What is the square root of minus a? Square root of a into iota. So we should convert on that form. Minus root 3 plus root 2 into iota. Square root of minus 2 equal to square root of 2 into iota into 2 root 3 minus iota. Hereafter we are multiplying one by one term. So multiplying minus root 3 into 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 value 3. 3 2 is 6. Multiplication, all of you know that? So minus 6. Minus root 3 into minus iota. Minus into minus plus root 3 iota. Next with root 2 iota multiplying. Plus root 2 into root 3. So root 6. That value 2 root 6 iota. Understood this one? So 2 root a into root b, we know that root of ab, square root of ab. Square root of 2 into square root of 3, square root of 6 iota. Minus square root of 2 into iota square. Now simplify. This is equal to minus 6 plus, in these two terms I would have take iota common over here, root 3 plus 2 root 6 of iota minus I square value minus 1 becomes plus root 2. Now taking together real parts and imaginary part. This is equal to root 2 minus 6 plus square root of 3 plus 2 root 6 into iota. So we got in the form of a plus iota b. So this is the model, very very important to convert in the form of a plus iota b. Next question, 9th problem. How to convert in the form of a plus iota b. So last class it is also explained. So next question, 9th problem. Let us take z. Z is equal to 5 plus square root of 2 into iota divided by 1 minus square root of 2 into iota. Z is equal to 5 plus root 2 iota divided by 1 minus root 2 iota. How to make it in the form of a plus iota b? So this is called actually division method. In the last class I explained division method. Last video we have to see that how to solve. So to make it in the form of a plus iota b, what to do? We have to apply rationalization method. So remember all of you, to write in the form of a plus iota b, apply the rationalization method. So it is very very important method. So how to rationalize that? What is the multiplying and dividing value? Here minus there. So which value multiplying? With plus. 5 plus square root of 2 into iota divided by 1 minus root 2 iota multiplying and dividing with 1 plus root 2 iota divided by 1 plus root 2 iota. So this is the procedure. This method is called rationalization. So all of you remember rationalization. So it is very useful method to simplify the values. Now simplify this one. We got in the denominator a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus root 2 iota whole square. Okay na students? A square minus b square formula. Next numerator 1 by 1 term. Just now we completed multiplication. 5 into 1 5 plus 5 root 2 iota plus with root 2 iota multiplying root 2 into iota here multiplying plus root 2 into root 2 iota into iota square. Now simplify this value. This is equal to 5 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 taking iota common, 2 iota square value minus 2 divided by 1 minus root 2 iota square value 2 into iota square value minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now this is equal to 5 minus 2 real part 3 divided by 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. It becomes 6 root 2 divided by 3 into iota. Now simplify this value. This is equal to 1 plus 3 goes to 3 1 3 2 so 2 root 2 iota. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. So next question, I hope that you may understand. Already finished this model. I explained at the time of properties. So these are the problems here. Next 10th question, we have to solve your own. So do yourself here. This is homework question. Try all of you. I just explained briefly. You follow this one. Multiplying these two numbers and here subtracting these two numbers. Hereafter we should follow either if it is useful, if there is need rationalization method, apply the rationalization method. Otherwise we should simplify shortly. Now last model, that is second model question in this exercise. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of. So problems, I will give that 2 to 3 questions. So you take the problems firstly. Those problems are only simple questions are there here. Multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of. First question is 2 minus 3 iota. Second problem 4 minus 3 iota. Third bit square root of 5 plus 3 iota. Fourth bit minus iota. So these are the problems in the exercise. So last model in this exercise, I would have explained one question. The remaining questions we should do it same model. So you try like this. Let us see all of you how to solve this first problem. Solution of the first question. Firstly, take the complex number z. Let z is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. You follow this method only. Then after multiplicative inverse of z. We know the multiplicative inverse of z formula. What is the multiplicative inverse of z? 1 upon z. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 3 iota. Now is it is to be going to our answer? No. Why? Because it is not in the form of a plus iota b. We have to make in the form of a plus iota b. So how to make it? So this method, rationalization method. 1 divided by 2 minus 3 iota, multiplying and dividing with 2 plus 3 iota divided by 2 plus 3 iota. You remember, all of you, with minus there, multiplying and dividing with plus term. In between only important. Here important, here middle. Before I part. I ಇನ್ನೊಂದು term ಏನಿದೆ, minus symbol ಇದೆ. So here plus symbol, multiplying and dividing. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು term always important. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು term which symbol is given? Plus or minus. Minus given, plus multiplying. Minus plus given, multiplying and dividing with plus minus. So simplify this value. Then we observe what? Same formula. A minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. 3 iota whole square. Numerator 1 into this value, same number. 2 plus 3 iota. This is equal to 2 plus 3 iota divided by 4 plus 9. 3 iota whole square value plus 9. So we can write in the form of a plus iota b. 2 divided by 9 plus 4, 13, dividing, plus 3 divided by 13 into iota. So this is in the form of a plus iota b. So which is called, so what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3 iota? 2 upon 13 plus 3 upon 13i. Do you want one more example? Okay, you do it like this. Do yourself this one. I will explain third question. Square root of 5 plus 3 iota. So how to find out? So method will be same. Same method follow, we can easily get. So I will go to problem number 3 right now. Follow the same method. Let z is equal to, I will this one simplify next one. See the next question is, third question. Square root of 5 plus 3 iota. What is asking? Multiplicative inverse of z. This is equal to 1 upon square root of 5 plus 3 iota. Hereafter what to do? Multiplying and dividing with minus term. So 1 divided by square root of 5 plus 3 iota, rationalization, square root of 5 minus 3 iota upon square root of 5 minus 3 iota. This will be equals square root of 5 minus 3 iota divided by root 5 whole square minus 3 iota whole square. Very simple method. Simplifying, square root of 5 minus 3 iota divided by root 5 whole square value 5 plus 9. So write in the form of a plus iota b, square root of 5 divided by 14 minus 3 divided by 14 into iota. So we got in the form of a plus iota b. So this is the third question. So I completed first question, third question. Second problem also we do it like this. And fourth bit, very simple. Z is equal to minus iota given. Then multiplicative inverse of z is equal to 1 upon z, 1 upon minus iota. So this is a simple value. Minus 1 by iota we know already. So that is what? Minus iota. This is equal to what? Iota. So what is the multiplicative inverse of minus iota? That is equal to plus iota. Okay, so let us see tomorrow class. Next video we have to see the concept of geometrical representation of a complex numbers, organed plane, modulus of a complex numbers, properties like this we have to discuss one by one. So this is the total first part of a complex numbers. First part here, first video, second video and third video. This is the final concept. Okay now students, I hope that you may understand all these questions once you try one by one problem, and also homework questions also you do it yourself only. If any doubt is there, you can clarify that. Thank you.